Great November, everyone. I welcome you back to another How to Draw a Dinosaur King episode special. Tonight, we're finally going to draw a spiny. One of my favorite fighters. Anyway, this guy is actually a Spinosaurus from Dinosaur King, only more chibi-sized. And you're actually gonna love this. I actually found the soundtrack that I was wanting to track down. There we are. Alexa, what is Spinosaurus?
Spinosaurus is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur that lived in what now is North Africa during the Cenomanian to Upper Turonian stages of the late Cretaceous period, about 99 to 93.5 million years ago. The genus was known first from Egyptian remains discovered in 1912 and described by German paleontologist Ernst Stromer in 1915.
There he is. That's how you draw a spiny.